This is an important election for Fianna Fáil. It will be the first electoral test that we've faced since entering government last year, and I'm determined to make a success of it. I'm proud to stand before you this evening as a strong, independent woman. I'm not afraid to take a stand, and I'm not afraid to make courageous decisions. Many parties pay lip service to the issue of gender, but in my direct experience, Fianna Fáil has been a party of action. You only need to look at our convention tonight to see we are here with our guest Cathaoirleach, Senator Lisa Chambers, our local Comhairle officers, Jenny Barry and Maria Fuller, and our Deputy Director of Elections, Senator Catherine Ardagh. Women's rights and equality have been the guiding principles of my life from long before I entered politics. As many of you may know, I was the plaintiff in Dee versus Ireland, the landmark 2006 case of the European Court of Human Rights, where I challenged the refusal of the Irish state to allow for the termination of pregnancy in the case of fatal fetal abnormality. Although my case didn't proceed because European legislation demands you must take your case in Ireland first. My case was mentioned through all media for 16 years, and it was an important step in the long road to repeal the Eighth Amendment in 2018.